Hey everyone, want to remove the background from an image using GIMP? In this video, I'll show you how to remove a background step by step. Yeah, whether you're creating transparent images, product photos, or graphic designs, this guide will help you get clean results. First, open GIMP on your computer and load the image you want to edit. Click File, then Open, and select your image. Choose a photo where the subject is clearly separated from the background for the best results. Before removing the background, make sure your image supports transparency. In the Layers panel, right-click your image layer and choose Add Alpha Channel if that option is available. Next, select a tool for removing the background. You can use the Fuzzy Select tool for simple backgrounds, the Foreground Select tool for more detailed subjects, or the Paths tool if you need precise control. You know, the best tool depends on how complex the background is. Carefully select the background you want to remove. If necessary, adjust the tool settings or hold the Shift key to add more areas to your selection until the entire background is selected. Once the background is selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove it. I mean, if the background doesn't become transparent, double-check that you've added an alpha channel first. After removing the background, zoom in and clean up any remaining edges using the Eraser tool or other selection tools. Taking a few extra moments here can make your final image look much more professional. When you're finished, click File, then Export As, and save your image as a PNG file to preserve the transparent background. So avoid saving as JPEG if you want to keep the transparency. And that's how you remove a background in GIMP. With a little practice and the right selection tools, you can create clean, professional-looking transparent images. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.